So my name's Nisa, and I just finished the intensive 5-day level 1 Vibravision, and I couldn't be more mind blown. I had no idea what I was in for. I knew it would be something magical, but it ended up like far exceeding all expectations. I mean, not only were there certain like little dips and corners that you don't know are coming, but I found that I had to dig deep. There was a much deeper experience than I expected. I had to really dig deep and like find new parts of myself that I didn't know were there, which seems to make sense if you're turning on a superhuman power that you have to do the work to get there, but it's so worth it in the end. It was just like the most magical experience of all time. And the fact that there could be a systematic way to learn how to be intuitive, and in these quick moments where you're almost catching your mind versus your intuition, it's like, no, that was my thoughts. You know, if you're trying to think your way through it and trying to guess, I wonder where this object is, and using your typical way, you're not going to get it. But the time you tap into your intuition and it's like, that's it. So it's like this intuition training of like, oh, when I was thinking about it, I didn't get it right. But when I went to the thing that happened before the thinking, that initial intuition, it's like right all the time. So it was just, I never thought this would train us to be more intuitive. And I've been quite an intuitive person my whole life. And people always ask me, how can I be more like that? And I'm like, I don't really know how you would teach this, but now I know. You could teach this with Vibravision. It's absolutely spectacular and could not be more impressed. And the loving environment and the people and the passion and what these guys went through to try and bring this to us has been just super inspiring. It makes this to the world and tell everyone, if you're doubting coming, come, explore new parts of yourself, learn the limitations of what you thought was possible by experiencing it in your own body, and move past all doubts into like the absolute certainty that we all have superhuman abilities and we're born with them. So thank you, Masses, for all the amazing work you've done in bringing this to us and teaching us this amazing gift.